Search the web for BBC News.
Going to BBC.
Okay, so this video is intended to show the differences between three 2019 LG 4K TV models. The entry-level UM7400, the step-up UM7450, and the upgraded silver model UM7600. I have made another video which I'll link at the end and in the description showing the 7600 in more detail. These TVs are available in many different sizes starting from 43 inch right up to 86 inch. The vast majority of features are the same, including picture quality, which is exactly the same on all three models. I'll highlight what extras you get stepping up in the range. The 7400 and 7450 have 3 HDMI sockets. The 7600 has 4, which will be very useful for some people. The 7600 is a tiny bit smaller than the other two, but it's not obvious. It's also 1.5 kilograms heavier. The final difference is the big one. It's the remote control. The 7400 has the simple rubber button remote control, which makes using the smart TV services and menus a slower process. Both the 7600 and 7450 come with the excellent Magic Remote, which makes the smart TV interface much snappier, and it's a pleasure to use. The Wii-style navigation is not for everyone, but I think it's great. The Magic Remote is compatible with the 7400 and can be purchased for around £40 to £50. It also adds the very clever Google Assistant, voice search and text-to-speech. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Search the web for BBC News.
Going to bbc.co.uk.